If you've ever tried to make your tomato sauce by hand, you may have found it extremely time-consuming to remove the tomato skin and seeds, puree the tomato, and get the consistency you desire. That's where tomato strainers come in. There are many products available to choose tomato strainer, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best tomato strainer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Norpro 1951, the original sauce master. The best tomato strainer at the top of our list is the Norpro 1951, the original sauce master. This tomato strainer is one of the more affordable options on the list, but it has all the capabilities you need from this type of appliance. To use this tool, attach it to your countertop, place your tomatoes in the bowl, and turn the handle. From there, the spiral forces your tomato through the steel screen, which separates the juice from the pulp. It holds up to 3 quarts of tomatoes so that you can strain larger amounts at once. Attaches to the side of your counter so it doesn't slide around. You can buy additional screens for the strainer to strain other foods, including berries, pumpkin, and salsa. Number 2. Weston Deluxe Electric Tomato Strainer. The Weston Deluxe Electric Tomato Strainer does even more work for you. It doesn't require any of the manual labor that goes into turning a handle and instead strains your tomatoes at the press of a button. Reviewers have found that this machine is durable and has lasted for several seasons. Parts are removable and dishwasher safe, making for an easy cleaning process. Comes with 3 different stainless steel screens for different consistencies. Number 3. Raw Roots Electric Tomato Strainer Machine. Consider the Raw Roots Electric Tomato Strainer Machine for a luxury option with all the bells and whistles. Made in Italy, this strainer has an electric motor, is made of stainless steel and cast iron, and can process over 300 pounds of tomatoes every hour. Overall, if you're looking for quality and ease over anything else, this is the best tomato strainer for you. Reviewers say that customer service is excellent in case of any issues with the machine. Relatively easy to clean and assemble. It can be used to make applesauce, too. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Food Mill. The OXO Good Grips Food Mill is a great compact option if you don't have much storage or counter space. It's 7.5 inches tall, 15.5 inches long, including the handle, and just over 3 pounds. To use this tool, insert the disc that will give you the desired consistency. Attach the handle, unfold the legs, and set it on top of a bowl or pot. Add your tomatoes, and turn the handle until your fruit is perfectly strained. Includes 3 discs for different foods and consistencies. Although this gadget is manual, users note that the design makes it more comfortable and less difficult to turn the handle than more traditional styles. It has 3 non-slip legs so the tomato strainer can grip the top of bowls and pots, and these legs are foldable to make for easy storage. Number 5. Weston Metal Tomato Strainer 1-gallon hopper. You'll need a tool to handle the volume if you're working with many tomatoes. The Weston Metal Tomato Strainer is the best tomato strainer for bulk quantities. It has a 1-gallon hopper, so you don't need to keep refilling it with tomatoes. Most of its parts are also stainless steel, so this machine is sturdy and will last. It doesn't require you to peel or core your tomatoes, saving you time when processing large amounts of tomatoes. The base has both a suction cup and clamp options for attaching to your countertop, so it doesn't slide around. It comes with the option to purchase additional accessories for more straining options. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.